Build your list. Build your list. Build your list, and you'll make a great income. Hey everybody, Joel here. Now, email marketing is everything, and I'm going to be the first to tell you in this video, I hate fucking doing this. I hate this. It's like saying, look at me, look how rich Elon Musk is. Well, we already know he's filthy, filthy rich. But to be able to hone in a point, everything that you do online, whether any type of marketing, whether it's a physical product, a digital product, it all starts with what? Every business starts with what? Generating a lead. So what I wanted to show you is what proper marketing does. So here's an example. This is my YouTube channel. And first I want to see, look, I don't get thousands and thousands of views. I'll be the first to admit, I just started playing with YouTube this year. The reason why I started playing with YouTube a lot more is because it's always here, right? When you look at, as an example, let me open up my feed here on Facebook. When you look on Facebook, I get much better reach. Okay, this one I didn't get that great a reach. This one neither. This one got good reach, 128 likes. This one got great reach, 628 likes. This one got great reach, over 1,000 likes. This got great reach, decent reach, 574. The point being, you know, when you're on your feed, it just goes away really quickly. YouTube, it's there forever. But here's what I want to bring to your attention. Everything you do should be around list building. So how do you do proper list building? So obviously I give away a lot of advice for free. And here's what I want to make a point of. So I make a little bit of revenue from the ads, not a whole lot, but here's the point I'm trying to make. See this right here? You click there, it brings you to my website. And if you want to join my coaching program for free, baby, I got to get a name and an email address, and of course a username and password. Point being, every video that I do, everything that I do on social media, okay, comes to the same idea. Now you'll notice that I changed the tracking code here because I want to know where my opt-ins and my leads are coming from. So I click here, again, same thing. Everything is to generate a lead. Okay, great, Joel, generating leads. So all your social media should be centered around free content to get people to know, like, and trust you. And then the micro commitment after that is clicking on your links and generating a lead. As an example, another one that I've done, let me go from here. Another one that I promote a lot for the fitness business is freefitpass.com. And guess what? Now, if you want my expertise in nutrition and fitness, which I probably still know more about nutrition and fitness than I do internet marketing, you click here, you fill out the form. Again, it generates me a name, and right there generates me an email address. Why is that so damn important? Well, by driving all of my traffic for a name and email address, let's go and look at affiliate commissions, okay? So here, okay, now this is the part that I hate. I hate fucking doing this. I hate saying, look at me, I'm so filthy rich, right? It drives me nuts. The reality is I make very, very good money. The reality is I'm doing this because I want you to make really, really good money. And it comes down to one common denominator, building your list and getting that list to know, like, and trust you. So here's some sales that have come in. Some sales, a few sales, 6 sales today. You can see the timestamps here, 6, 2, blah, blah, blah. Really good money. Now, if the average human being makes about $100 a day, all right, okay, these are just affiliate sales. Never mind my own company. We do web hosting, we do email marketing, we do video streaming. These are just affiliate sales, meaning I'm promoting other people's products and making good money. So here on Traffic Authority, it hasn't been a great week. But nevertheless, today, $80 when the average person makes $100. That's $80. It just goes right into my pocket. I don't have to do anything about it. $76 yesterday, $1,300 for the past week. A cool $7,000 this month alone going right into my pocket. I don't have to do customer support, don't have to create a product, don't need to create a website, nothing. $106,000 this year, and since they launched, nearly $240,000. That's one. Another one here again today. Not a whole lot of money today, $53 today. Still not bad. Yesterday was a great day, $1,100. Past 7 days, $2,700. The past 30 days, another cool, nearly $9,000 in my pocket, plus this money in my pocket for doing nothing, right? So let's go look at another affiliate dashboard, okay? So let's come here, and here's what I've generated promoting a few different products over the past year. Another $82,000 in income, okay? Now here's what I want you to take a look at. I generated 104,000 clicks, 104,000 clicks collectively to these different products and services, okay? Now, let's go look at another one, list leverage, something that I promote. I'm always number 1 or number 2 on the leaderboards. If we go to the all-time earnings, $168,000 in earnings, one below that. Okay, that wasn't me, that's the company. Anyway, $101,000 in earnings there, and this all comes from one thing, building my list. Remember, every page I bring people to, whether it's this page or joeltherien.com or anything, it's to generate leads. And then I get those leads to know, like, and trust me. And every time I make an affiliate sale, never mind my own sales, this is the type of money that comes to me. So as you can see, just in the past month alone, $7,000 here. This one, another $9,000 here. List leverage, let's go the past 30 days. Oh, not a whole lot of money, but still $1,500. I'll take it, no problem. Give it to me, and so forth. So it's really, really important. One common denominator. One, build your list. Let me do it like a cheerleader. Build your list. Build your list. Build your list, and you'll make a great income. It's that simple. All your social media should come to an opt-in page where people give you a name and email address, and then you market to those people really good stuff to help solve their problems, and you'll make a killing online. Hope this makes sense, guys. Start building your list today. If you love these videos, click the like button, click the bell notification button. Let's get you started on the path to list building and making an amazing income from home.